Are you learning animation, but need a video editor to help your short film? You should learn to edit. I'll tell you why in today's episode. Editing is the glue for your animated shots. You can control your animation in the editing stage. The original Star Wars movie was famously saved in the editing stage. So don't overestimate the power of a good edit. You shouldn't use your animation software as your editing software. I lost my video editor on my first big animation project, so I was forced to learn to edit so I could finish my short film. Today's video editing softwares can do compositing, timing, visual effects, recoloring, audio control, and more. You may lose control of your vision if someone else edits your animated shots. So how do you learn to edit? You need an NLE. What is an NLE? NLE stands for Nonlinear Editing System. NLE examples are Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Avid, even iMovie. But those softwares can be expensive. So here's a couple of free NLEs. iMovie and HitFilm. I've used them both in my animations before I moved on to Final Cut Pro. And my NLE of choice is Final Cut Pro to this day. Video editing softwares can be intimidating, but are worth your time to learn if you really want to create an animation. I recommend Final Cut Pro because it is not that difficult to learn the basics. It will cost you $300 though, and you will need a Mac. One thing I don't like about Final Cut Pro for animation is that it doesn't import image sequences yet. I hope they add that feature in a future release. You can go another route like Premiere Pro, but I like to buy software, not rent it. With that said, if you are already paying for Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, you already have Premiere Pro, so that may be a good option for you. No matter what software you choose, it will be worth your time to learn it for your next animated project. Don't agree with me? What editing software do you recommend for animation? Leave it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, you might like my Skillshare animation classes. This has been Patrick Davidson, the Expat Animator. See you next time.